First, log in with Gmail. Copy and paste the link I will let you at the description of this video and click on the blue button. Then register your business name, in my case is a florist, and then choose the type of business do you have. Now you have to search for one category that fits perfect with your business, and then put your business address in case you choose that you have a local store. Confirm your address with Google Maps, and if you want your clients to contact you, put your number or website. Accept the terms and conditions of Google and click next. Now you can verify your identity with a phone code or with a business video, or verify it later when you end the register. The next step is to establish the schedule of your business in case you select that you have a local store, and then confirm accept messages and make a short description of your business. Add a couple of photos of what you sell. Here you can invest money with Google Ads for advertising. And then it's ready, your business account.